Assalamu Alaikum, friends. Today, let's discuss a crucial question: why is it essential to understand the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? To answer this, let's take a look at some benefits of comprehending his life. 1. Mercy to the worlds. Allah sent Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a mercy to the worlds, meaning his life is a mercy for the entire world. Through his teachings and actions, we can explore mercy in every aspect. 2. Humanity and love. His life teaches us the true meaning of humanity. Through his attention and love, we understand where the real strength lies within humanity. 3. Moral and etiquette. The literature of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, shows us the moral and etiquette guidelines on how to improve ourselves. 4. Society and community building. His life teaches us how to build a better society and community. His insights help us understand the importance of teamwork and tolerance. 5. Spiritual enlightenment. His life provides us with the opportunity to explore spiritual experiences. The moments spent with him reveal hidden spiritual insights that can enhance our own spirituality. So, friends, why is it necessary for us to understand the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Because his life is a beacon of truth for us, a path that can lead us towards our true purpose. In this series, we will explore how the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, can enlighten every aspect of our lives. If you want to join us on this journey, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for each new video.